Hello my friends, today we will visit an island far out in the ocean, where these birds choose to make their homes and raise their children. The Swiftlets. They build their nests on steep and slippery rock walls inside the island's caves. Surviving in the wild is challenging for them. But do you know why people are going after these little birds? Because their nests have high economic value. The Swiftlets use their saliva to make them. And Asian kings and emperors in ancient times believed they were nourishing. Therefore, Swiftlet nests have been harvested for hundreds of years to make nutritious dishes. However, due to the tough terrain, collecting them is very difficult. They have to hang ladders in the middle of the cave, and then climb up the ladder to pick each nest, clinging to the rock wall. This is a very dangerous job, and the harvesters are usually trained from a young age. Just watching how they do it, you will understand. You can see that there are a huge number of bird nests. But in reality, there is only one Swiftlet breeding season each year. So the annual harvest volume from nature is not high. Countries that are famous for harvesting Swiftlets are mainly in Southeast Asia. Among the top are Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, and Vietnam. After harvesting, Swiftlet nests will be sorted for processing. Their price can go up to $5,000 per kilogram of finished product. However, natural harvesting is not enough to meet the demand. That's why Swiftlet farming has become popular. To learn about the successful farming model that brings high profits, let's explore in detail the process of how they raise Swiftlets to collect bird nests. As I said, the purpose of Swiftlet farming is to meet the high demand of the market. But this method is also ethical because it does not harm the Swiftlets. We will create an environment that mimics natural caves, and then attract Swiftlets come to make nests and reproduce. After they leave the nests, farmers can easily collect them. And here is a Swiftlet house. They recorded sounds from caves to play every day. Wooden planks are added to resemble cave walls. What's special about this method is that we don't need to supply feed or water. All we need is to maintain a dark, humid, and pest-free environment. And there can be 2 to 3 harvests a year instead of just one. After building their nests, they begin laying eggs and raising their children. The baby birds stay in the nest until they grow strong enough to fly. After about 4 months and a half, we can harvest the nests. At this time, the small birds already can fly. Before harvesting, we need to check if there are any small Swiftlets left. After harvesting, the Swiftlet nests will be taken to a processing plant. Let's follow them to learn how Swiftlet nests are processed. First, we start with the sorting step. During this step, the Swiftlet nests will be cleaned and sorted into groups based on size, color, quality, and integrity of the nests. All feathers, dirt, and dust will be removed under a monitored supervision. This cleaning process requires patience and must be very thorough. Cleaning is done using tweezers and brushes. Then the bird nests go through the drying process. In the molding step, they shape the nests back into their original form. Then comes the steaming process, where the nests are steamed for 3.5 seconds with a minimum temperature of 70 degrees Celsius. This step helps remove any bacteria that may be attached to the nests. Finally, the steamed nests are packaged and ready for sale. Even the fragments of Swiftlet's nests are utilized to make bird's nest soup. This is a product made from cooking pieces of Swiftlet's nest with sugar water. Because of its high value, nothing goes to waste. What about you? Have you tried Bird's Nest products before? Please leave your comments below, subscribe to my channel, and give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you again soon. Goodbye.